Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change your Gmail name. So, first of all, you have go to your Play Store, then go to your Gmail account. Now you can see here settings. Click on settings. Here you can see general. Click on general. You can see here account and device preference. Click on here. Now click on change contact email. So I am changing my Gmail name. Click on save. I got a verification number. Now I have to check it. So that's how you can change your Gmail name. So guys, that's it. You can do it. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.